Hello friends, today we are going to talk about something that can completely change your health and your way of living. Have you ever noticed that as time passes, that old agility and strength of our body seems to start disappearing? We get tired quickly, our body takes a long time to recover after exercise, and sometimes we just long to get our old energy back. Today, Thomas, am going to talk to you about a very deep secret to getting that strength back, and its name is the Advanced Amino Formula. But before you take any step, listen to me very carefully, because on this journey there are two very important warnings that can save both your money and your health. The first thing is that these days a lot of fake stuff is available on the internet, so please remember that the Advanced Amino Formula is available only and only on its official website. For your convenience, I have provided the correct link in the description below so that you don't fall for any wrong trap. Now the question arises, what exactly is this Advanced Amino Formula, and does it really work? Look friends, I have seen that thousands of people are struggling with low energy, muscle weakness, and mental fog, or what you call a foggy mind. This is not just for people who go to the gym, but for every person who wants to feel young and strong again. Our body needs 8 essential amino acids to function properly, which our body cannot produce on its own. After years of research, experts have created a perfect blend of these 8 amino acids that gets absorbed into your body immediately. It contains ingredients like L-Leucine, L-Valine, and L-Leucine in a specific ratio. When you start taking it, you will feel that your muscles are repairing, your metabolism is improving, and your skin and hair are gaining a new shine. But understand one thing, every person's body is different, and results can appear at different times. You have to give your body a little time. Some people start noticing a difference within just a few weeks, but for a complete transformation, at least 2 to 3 months' time is necessary. The best part is that it is completely natural, with no harmful chemicals, gluten, or soy. And if you feel that this is not for you, the company also offers you a 90-day money-back guarantee. That means you have nothing to lose, only new health to gain. Just remember, you have to take it daily and regularly. Don't skip it in between. I hope today's conversation will be useful for you. I want you to also feel the same energy and enthusiasm that thousands of people are feeling today. If you have any questions at all, please ask them in the comments below. Like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to become a part of our family. Review Bank, take care of yourself because your body is your biggest asset.